Papa, the puppet show of that chicken.
All right.
I'm an alien. I'm going to go find some food. Oh, I'm going to eat you.
Ah! Oh no, the alien got eaten.
Oh, no. Thank you, Crab. You're welcome. Oh, I want some food.
Ah!
The crab is gone. Now, octopus. I'm hungry still. Elsie, don't put the octopus down. Octopus down? I want the octopus for dinner.
Oh no, watch out, octopus.
I'm a crab, and he's my best friend. Uh-oh. He got hit. Ha, ha, ha.
Did the crab save the octopus?
Best friend. The show is over.
Yay!